Hey y'all, welcome back to FlyafterFifty, no spaces. I'm Lee and I'm back with another video. Y'all, this video is Foundation Friday. I'm coming to you a little bit different, but I'm still barefaced under these disrespectful lights. So I already did my eyes, and that's going to be a video coming soon using the Ace Beauty Mystic Romance palette. Isn't it beautiful? So yeah, that's coming later, so make sure you be on the lookout for that. But on to the Foundation Friday. So this Foundation Friday, I am going to be using the Covergirl Simply Ageless Skin Perfector Essence. This came out at the drugstore, and a lot of people are saying it's a dupe for the Chanel foundation. I do not have that one, but it is definitely a dupe for the Rose Ink, which is the one I have. It's definitely a dupe for that. But let me tell you a little bit about this foundation. You get 1 fluid ounce for $21.49. Yikes. Okay, it has 8 shades. I have the shade Rich. It's a micro droplet formula, 71% water, clean, vegan, cruelty free. It's for all skin types, and the capsules blend evenly for a radiant bare skin filter effect. So that's cool, and it's non-comedogenic, which is the same for this one by Rose Ink. Differences are, this one's called the Skin Enhanced Non-Comedogenic Skin Tint Serum Foundation. I have shade 120. There are 14 shades. You get 1 ounce of product for $49, and the finish is radiant. So that's a little bit of comparison. I may do another video later doing a side-by-side comparison, but that's just to let you know that you can get the same thing for about 20 bucks cheaper if you use the Rose Ink. I don't know about the Chanel. I have not used that or looked it up. All right, y'all, well, let's go ahead and get started. This is the little cute little container. It does have a pump, and then like these are droplets in here. Let me just show you. Well, show me too, because I haven't done anything with this yet. Okay, here we go. See, look at that. You can see it's in like some kind of liquid, and you see the droplets, and you're supposed to mix those together on your face to come up with your foundation. Now, I already got my face ready, as you know. I already said about my eyes, but I have on my primer. I'm using the e.l.f. Power Grip with 4% niacinamide. So let's go ahead and see what this foundation does. This is how it's looking on my hand. It is definitely watery. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a brush for this, and so that I can make sure all those little caplets are getting broken up. It feels good though. It does feel good. So I'll be using this brush here. And let's see what it do. I'm just going to do this side first. Pressing it in. Feels good, light, airy, even a little moisturizing as I'm putting it on. It's definitely like a light finish. That's the right side, left side with nothing. Let me just finish. You have to definitely make sure you are blending this in, or I don't think you get much color. Or maybe a little patchy, I don't know. But skin so far is looking really good. I'm putting it directly on my brush this time. Let's see. Ooh, oh my. That definitely seems Like, it was darker up there on my head, directly on the brush. I really don't know how many pumps I use. Guess you just gotta use as many pumps to make you feel like you got something on your face. Definitely radiant. Not dewy, just radiant. I like it. Let me see what kind of finish they said this one has. It says, the Covergirl Simply Ageless Skin Perfector Essence Foundation is a vegan skincare makeup hybrid formulated with 0.5% bakuchiol, a plant-based retinol alternative perfect for sensitive skin. The skin plumping formula reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and increases skin's firmness. It doesn't say what the finish is, but I'm pretty sure this is light. So this is it with the foundation on. I like the way it looks. It's very light. It is I feel moisturized. My skin looks healthy. It feels really good. It does have a little tack to it, but not sticky. Look, I like this. I like this. All right, so I'll be back once I finish my look and tell you some more stuff. Okay. Okay, y'all. Now I'm going in with the Sephora Best Skin Ever Glow Concealer. This is a new concealer. I have mine in shade 37. I felt this might go better with this foundation because it's so light, and maybe this like radiant glowy concealer will also go well. That's the color. All right. Blends out nicely. It's a pretty finish. And I think I was right. It does look good with this foundation. But I do have dry skin now. If you got oily skin, I don't know. I don't know how it would be mixing a radiant and a glowy product. You know what I'm saying? All right, I think that looks good. All right, for real this time, I'll be back to show you my finished look, tell you the time, and then begin my foundation wear test. All right, y'all, I am back with my finished look. I love how it came together. It's very beautiful purpley. The time is 12:38, so I'm starting my wear test now. Y'all, so far so good. I really like the way this foundation is looking on my skin. It is very beautiful. But I'll see you in a couple of hours to tell you how it wore. Hey y'all, I am back. It is the end of the day. I took my watch off. Where I put my watch at? But it's a little bit after 7. So I've had this makeup on for almost 7 hours, or a little over 7 hours. And y'all, this foundation, it is doing the doggone thing. Covergirl is for sure coming for Rose Inc. and Chanel, because this is bomb. I wrote down one thing. It says bare skin filtered effect. Okay, they did not lie. They told no lies. No lies detected. Look at my skin. It looks so good. Wish my husband would go away. But yeah, it looks so good. It is a great foundation. I really love it. I'm going to cut this short because he's over there. But no fading. My makeup still look good. Everything looks so good. I am very happy with this foundation. All right, y'all. And remember, I have dry skin, normal to dry skin, so take that as a grain of salt. But I'm pretty sure I saw Angie. She did it, and she has combination skin, and she liked it as well. So maybe that's another point of reference for you. But y'all, I hate to wash this off. I do. But that's the end of it. That's the end of the day. That's the end of the wear test. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much for watching. And until I see you in another one, stay fly, sis.